Good morning, students. Previous class I have taught you how to draw the how to insert the word art. Once again I will show to you how to change the word art size, color and the different style. Today word art style I will show you. Okay. Just now I will start on the MS Word. You can see a word here, Word 2013. Okay, so I have opened the 2013 here. So this is the MS Word window. Now you have seen how to insert the word art. The previous class I have taught. Once again I will do here insert tab. Now I will go to the word art. You know the word art in a text group word art option is there. Now I will click and select which one we want. Okay. Now if I select of this thing, now we can see our text here that these options came. Now today I will show you how to change the color, then effect, okay, and the size also. Now previous class I have written here, instead of your text here, St. Paul School, okay. Now how to increase the size? Now select, okay. Now here you can see that up to 36 there, but I want 60, but you cannot see the 60 is not there. My dear, just follow it here, 36 then 40, after that 72, but I want 60. How to change? I will click on here, then erase the size and type the 60, enter. Okay, now you can see our the school size has increased. Now the question is coming, how to change the format? Okay, it is the straight line. I don't want to do the straight line, I want to give the effect. Clear? Now so what to do? Select again. You can see here just up of the option, this is the drawing board, the word art style. We have learned the text fill, then text outline. Now the text effect, one option you will see the text effect. Of this option you will click. I think you can see that word art style text effect. I am saying only this one. Okay, text effect, just follow my dears. This is this box, this one, text effect. Okay, that is text effect. You will do click on here. After that you will see the transform option is there. Transform, whenever you will touch the transform, the right side you will see the so many options are there, so many styles are there. You can select any one style whatever you like. Whenever you will touch of this one, you can see the left side, the your main document automatically it will change. Okay, from here I am selecting of these things, just click on there. Okay, these things. Now you can see it has, that is arc. No, simple, the down portions arc, upper portion straight. Now you are thinking, sir, I will arc more, it is so small, I will give more arc. So what to do? You will click on the word art, your documents. Now after that, just side you will see the square. Yesterday I have told it is for increase and movement for this one. Now inside one pink color square box you can see here. Inside the box, one pink color square box. You can do more. Now, okay. In if you want the down one, you will give. Okay. Now click on outside. You can see the position of our St. Paul's school. This is the style. You are thinking that sir, AS we cannot see, so that much art we will not do. What? How to edit? No, don't worry. You will click on there. Once again, you will click on the square box. How much you want, you have to pull it. Okay. So now you can see this is the border. Our school name I have given. Okay. So this thing is called the border, the style. Okay, border text effect we can do. Once again I am showing to you how we did. Okay, I have selected it. Then after that, whenever you will select the drawing format, you will see this option, the text effect. You will click on the text effect, transform, then after that you will select anyone. Okay, now I will show you the shadow. The first one, shadow. How do you give the shadow? Plenty of shadows are there. Okay, now you can see the back side and the right side also. Inner, outers, plenty shadows are there. Okay, now just follow up this one, your documents. Whenever you will touch, the shadow is coming. Okay, if you touch of this one, then shadow, left side shadow is also coming. More. Okay, so just select anyone. Clear? Then also click outside, you can see the shadows also came. Okay, so my dear, I hope you understood of this one. Next day I will show you the how to change the inner color, means text color, and many style also how to give. Okay, so whatever I have given, you will practice your home. Okay, you will write your school name, and down portion you will write name, then class, section. Only this homework you will do, practice your home. Once again I am saying what you will do in your home. You will write your school name, down you will write your name, class, roll number, sections, and different shapes. One page you will do. Okay, so bye. And once again, once again I am saying, if you have any kind of doubt, you can contact with me by phone. Okay, so